Hello po! Magandang araw. So this is Krisha Malikdem. I-explain ko lang po yung summarized illustration ng bagong plan ni Sun Life na kaka-launch lang this October 2024. Ang name niya ay Sun Life Secure Income 10. So this is sample for age 32 male non-smoker na client. This plan is traditional whole life plan, not linked with investments. Meaning, no risk po dito, regardless kung ano man yung market condition or ekonomiya, hindi po dedepende doon yung growth ng plan na ito. Dahil guaranteed ang mga payout. Pero bago po yun, ito yung mga lifetime benefits. So, first, this is life insurance pa rin. Protected ka since day 1 sa life. So, death benefit po yan na 6 million. Ang face amount nito ay 3 million. So, doble ng face amount ang life insurance coverage nito. So, any cause of death po yan. Even sudden death, kasama din dyan. Pero kapag ang cause of death ay accident, may additional 3 million pa. So, total 9 million. So, insured since day 1 until age 100. And then, let's go on sa pinaka-habol po natin dito sa plan is yung yearly guaranteed payout option. So, guaranteed po ito at the age of 38. So, after 6 years, so, 32 years old ang current age. After 6 years, 38 na makakatanggap ng guaranteed 180,000. So, every year na po yan hanggang up until age 100. Ayan. So, depende po sa'yo. May option ka kung i-withdraw mo yan yearly. Pwede mong gamitin kahit saan yung passive income mo na hanggang age 100. Pwedeng pang concert fund or travel fund or education fund. Or kung birthday mo, pwede rin panghanda. Pwede rin sa mga any occasion or pang gift. Or hanggang age 60 pag may sakit-sakit or emergency, pandagdag yan na may aasahan ka na talaga. Guaranteed, and hanggang mag-retire ka, meron ka pa rin 180,000 hanggang age 100. So, guaranteed po yan. No? Ano man mangyari, lifetime ka na makikinabang. Imagine na steady income na wala ka nang iintindihin kasi automatic na talaga o nakasistema na talaga yung pagtanggap mo ng ganyang halaga, no? Passive income for you. Para ka talagang may apartment. And then, ito naman yung next na benefit, no? Ayan, accumulated payout. So, kung hindi withdraw itong 180k every year, hanggang age 60, ito na yung accumulate niya. Based sa approximately 4.2% na growth rate ng interest niya, no? So, 6.7 million na yan at the age of 60. If hindi pa rin withdraw yung 6.7 million, at the age of 70, 12.3 million na yan. Pag hindi pa rin withdraw yan, magiging 20.8 million na at the age of 80. And then, at the age of 90, nag-grow na yan hanggang 35.2 million. And then, hanggang age 100, 52.9 million. So, dito pa lang, ito yung maximum benefit ng payout hanggang age 100 kung hindi withdraw yung 180k every year hanggang age 100. May growth pa. And then, next benefit naman, yearly dividends. So, itong yearly dividends naman na mag-i-start yan year 1 pa lang. So, kung 32 years old, 33 years old pa lang, meron ng dividends. Na pag hindi withdraw yung yearly dividends, mag-a-accumulate yan at the age of 60, 3.2 million na, 70, 5.9 million na, at the age of 80, 9.9 million, 90, 6.5 million, and at the age of 100, kung hindi withdraw to hanggang age 100, yung dividends, 24.4. Okay? So, magkaiba pong benefit yung payout saka dividend. So, ipagpa-plus pa yan, no? So, halimbawa, na lang, at the age of 60, yung payout at the age of 60 is 6.7 million na yung accumulation. And then, yung dividends is 3.2 million yung accumulation. So, ang total niyan is mga nasa 10 million na, no? 10 million plus. So, yan, yung pwedeng makuha. Kung winidraw na yon, syempre, wala nang growth hanggang age 70, hanggang age 100. Kasi winidraw na lahat. So, kung hindi withdraw, mag-grow pa yan hanggang age 100. So, dito pa lang sa dalawang benefit na to, yung payout saka dividends, ang maximum niya, kung hanggang age 100, 52.9 million plus 53 plus 24 million equals 77, meaning sa benefit pa lang na hanggang age 100 is 77 million. So, ibig sabihin ba nun na 77 million yung babayaran? So, hindi pa naman, no? So, ito naman na yung last na benefit is centenarian bonus. So, ibig sabihin yan, kapag gumaba na yung buhay at the age of 80, 85, 90, 95, unti-unti pwedeng bawasan yung life insurance coverage mo, no? So, at the age of 80, 750,000. So, bonus mo na yan dahil mahaba yung buhay. You can use some portion of your life insurance coverage while living. Okay? And then, ang total po nito na apat na 750,000 at the age of 80 hanggang age 85, every 5 years, is 3 million, no? So, ang matitira na coverage na lang is 3 million kapag kinuha na to. Okay? And may option pa na pwedeng mag-accumulate itong 3 million na hanggang age 100, na ang total niya na from 3 million naging 5.1 million. So with this, itong mga nabanggit kong mga benefit, total hanggang maximum 100 years old, 52 million plus 24 million plus 5 million, 77 plus 5 million. So mga 82 million na lahat. So, ibig sabihin ba nun na kung 10 years to pay ito, 82 million divide 10, kailangan ba magbayad ng 8.2 million para makuha lahat to ng benefits? So, hindi naman po ganon, no? Kasi, kahit naman 10 years to pay ito, at ang maximum benefit niya na up to 82 million, hanggang age 100, hindi kailangan magbayad ng 8 million sa isang taon, no? Dahil after 6 years, kahit hindi pa tapos magbayad ng 10 years, may bumabalik ng 180,000. Okay? So, based po sa age na 32, ang computation po na babayaran dito is, ayan, ang yearly is 704,000 plus. And then, semi-annual is 373,000. Kung hindi pa rin kaya bayad ng ganyan isang bagsakan ng 373, quarterly naman 193,000. Okay? Pero may interest kasi mas makakamura kung nag-annual talaga. Ayan. So, in 10 years, ang total na nabayad kapag nag-yearly is 7,049,000. If ang semi-annual, 7.4 million. Diba? Almost half a million na rin yan. Yung discount kung nag-annual. And then, ang quarterly, 7.7 million. So, mas better talaga kung kaya 704,000 is mahulog na annually. And you get all the benefits na maximum 82 million. Kahit 7 million lang yung nahulog mo yung total. And then, may discount pa ito, no? Syempre, pagka nag-spot cash or one-time payment, 6.2 million. So, for those na, halimbawa, meron kang natutulog lang sa bangko, na hindi mag-grow, nandun lang, no? Ito, lifetime na mapapakinabangan. Okay? So, you have a steady income na hanggang age 100. Okay, ayan. So, next naman, 3 years to pay. Ang yearly payment is 2.1 million. So, ang total, 6.4 million. And then, kung ayaw mo mag 10 years to pay, meron din naman 5 years to pay. 1.3 million. Okay, tapos, ang annually niyan, 1.3 million plus. And then, ang total in 5 years, 6.6 million. So, may discount ka kung one time, 3 years or 5 years to pay. Okay, so, para na rin siyang nagpatayo ka ng apartment. Pero dito, steady income na tong 180k. Sa apartment kasi, syempre, after 5 years, renovation, may gastos pa dyan. And also, dun ka naman na maghahanap ng mga tenant para mag-earn ng rental income. Pero dito, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng tenant, hindi mo na rin kailangan maggastos sa mga maintenance na for life. Hindi mo na rin kailangan na magbayad ng tax or mga pasok dues, ganyan. Dahil 10 years lang ito babayaran. Okay. Ang maganda dito, hindi mo na kailangan mag-spot cash, hindi naman kailangan eh. So, hulagan lang din to na 10 years amortization para hindi ka masyado mahirapan kung isang bagsakan. And also, sa sample lang naman ito na coverage for 32 years old. Let me know kung ano yung birthday mo, kung ano yung kasya sa budget mo, kasi pwede naman tong may mas higher na coverage or mas lower na coverage para ma-customize natin talaga kung magkano yung fit sa budget mo. Let me know and I will be glad to assist you. Thank you. Bye!